So first I clean all the jewelry, and for any real jewelry I really recommend using a solution. You just pour some in a bowl and let the jewelry sit for no longer than 30 minutes. So things like gold, platinum, diamonds, just put the metals in separately, and you can scrub them with a little brush after, and they just come out so shiny and nice. I don't know if you can tell, but it really makes a difference. And I will go ahead and link one down below. So for the non-real jewelry, I just started sorting through everything and wiping each piece with a Clorix wipe, which I'm obsessed with for wiping literally everything. I will also link that below. Alright, so everything is sorted out, and we can finally put all the jewelry on this beautiful vintage cart my boyfriend's mom got me. And I hung all the beaded necklaces on this pretty board on the back. And I was going to put all the vintage gold on this tray, but I decided to just display all the rings in the little ring tray instead. Then I quickly did bracelets because that's what I have the least amount of. And I put all the wooden and turquoise pieces together as well as the silver because I just feel like all three of those pair really nicely together. Then I put the cuffs and watches on the other side, and this is my little earring rack. I just sorted and cleaned through all of those. On this little tray, I put all the vintage gold colored necklaces. On the bottom, I put this silver tray, and I put all the pearl pieces on top, as well as all the brooches, which I love brooches. They're so vintage and classic, and I only wear them a couple times a year, but I'm definitely going to start wearing them more because I just feel like they're so unique and they're dope. So that's how everything came out. Most of my collection is vintage. I just prefer vintage and retro jewelry over modern. I think it's so much more unique and beautiful and captures a story in each piece.